Well, viewers, I am on a little road trip in the Sullivan going back home for Christmas. And me and my dad decided to stop in Mexico. We're just south of Tecate. And we're going to go do a little bit of mountain biking. Well, we're going to take our time getting back home, ride a bunch of mountain bike trails, and do some other fun activities. So I guess here's a bunch of little clips of our whole road trip.
When I let you go, ooh, I just pulled you closer. Ooh, I can't understand where it came from, but you got it, I got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip has pulled you into me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure. Before I see you again, before it all makes sense, but I can't hold you back. And I still don't understand where it came from, but you're back in with the passion. I'm awake with the flame in a hailstorm. I'm back in, I gotta have it. Everything to